All right, the view from our Stockton Banks Tower Cam. Hey, betraying a pretty nice evening right here in Great Falls. Lovely shot of the river there and the mountains in the background. And good evening, everyone. And yeah, we have some showers going on right now as the system is moving on by. That will usher in some cooler air for tomorrow, but dry air, so it's going to be sunny tomorrow. And right now, here's what we have going on. There's a frontal boundary moving on across the region as I speak, and this is sponsored by a trough in the upper atmosphere, and I'll show you that in just a little bit. And what happens with these ground level systems is it moves eastward, it sort of lifts the air as it sort of like a snowplow does, and it lifts the air, cools it, wrings out the available moisture, and thus the showers. And Big Sky Viper radar testifying to that. We'll get a gander at some of these sites. Up Highway 87, a little wet right now around Box Elder, just to the southwest of Havre. Some rain going on here, maybe a little ponding on the roadways here. And speaking of ponding on the roadways, no doubt around Stanford and adjacent areas thereof, Highway 87, 89, 427, lots of ponding here. So if you're driving here, please be careful. And you notice a couple of lightning strikes right here indicated by those white dots that you see. Also, Helena seeing a little bit of rain right now. You're at 69 degrees, so you had that rain-cooled air. All this activity heading off to the northeast at about 30 miles per hour, and it'll be a done deal by tomorrow morning. There I see that 69 in Helena, with the sunshine still in Great Falls, 74. Glasgow still at 80, and it's a little breezy out there right now. It's going to continue to be that way for the next few hours. Okay, here's that ground level front right here, but again, it's sponsored by the trough in the upper atmosphere. This is a ripple of energy along the jet stream. It's going to get on out of here overnight tonight and be replaced by a flat flow in the atmosphere. And whenever you have this, it usually precludes any kind of significant weather. And this is going to be the story right on into the weekend. So some comfortable temperatures. On Sunday, it looks like we get a little bit of a disturbance that rolls in across the flow. And it may kick off a couple of showers on Sunday. But right now, it looks like it'll be few and far between. It really looks like a pretty decent weekend coming up for you. All right, here's Futurecast showing the rain. It's getting on out of here by early tomorrow morning as dry air filters on into the area. Looking like a pretty nice day tomorrow. Several degrees cooler today, but still pretty nice. Friday, double whammy. It's Friday, and it's going to be really nice with temperatures in the 70s. And you'll notice nothing upstream, so again, the weekend looking pretty good from here. So for tonight, especially to the east and southeast of Great Falls, there'll be showers and thunderstorms over the next few hours. Lows in the upper 30s to the lower 40s, and then for tomorrow, everybody in the 60s with some sunshine. And the Rocky Mountain front, chance for a shower eastern sections with lows in the 30s and low 40s. And then for tomorrow, a divine day. Temps in the mid-60s for most areas, a little cooler, some of the higher communities. Highline tonight, you see some showers later on and a few thunderstorms as well. Any rain will be ending early tomorrow morning with temperatures in the 60s, and there'll be plenty of sunshine as well tomorrow afternoon. And then, yeah, there you see that Fridays. Middle 70s. Saturday looking pretty nice as well with a few clouds around. Sunday, Sunday's a tough call. It could be a bit cooler, so I'm keeping it in the mid-60s with just a chance for a shower. But early next week, things looking pretty good, and pretty much the same story for Helena. You know, with that flat flow I mentioned in the jet stream, again, that precludes any cold air coming down to the region. So, you know, things looking pretty nice.
All right.
Weekend not looking bad, too.
I like it. And just because we can, let's talk about that double whammy you were talking about.
Friday, sunny and in the 70s, yeah.
All right, Ted, thank you so much. I know we're excited about that. Folks, still to come.